Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do visual search very easily on Windows 11. First, just press on Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard like this. Like this, the snipping toolbox will be appears like this, and then next just select the area or the image that you want to search. For example, I will select this image like this, and then just click on the result, the screenshot result, and then next just right click on the image like this, and then just click on the visual search with Bings. And okay, like this, Windows will instantly open Bing and show related images, informations, and the results about your image that you want to search like this. And okay, that's it. Visual search on Windows 11 is very simple and very useful. Okay, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!